Let me show you how to set up and use your KE3 smartwatch. By the way, in the description I'll also include a link where you can purchase this watch for absolutely insane deal. So on Temu it's around $3 only, so if you follow that special link, and that also includes free shipping. On AliExpress also I'll include link, but again it will be more expensive, so the normal price is usually around $15 to $20 on this watch. So when you actually get your watch, we actually get really nice packaging on it, a bunch of manuals, your charger over here, and the watch itself essentially. So when it comes to the watch and charging it, as you see, you actually have a magnetic charger. So basically a charger as it uses magnets to actually attach, and you have the charging pins right over here on the watch. So if it doesn't turn on, simply try charging it first. So simply attach them and then it should be okay. And turn it on, simply press and hold this home button, so for maybe like a few seconds essentially, and then you'll get this prompt essentially. So and then we'll need to download the app, and the app that this watch actually uses is called this FitCloud Pro. So it works both on Androids and also iPhones. So also before you actually open it, make sure you have your Bluetooth on and your Bluetooth is actually working to be able to actually find this watch. Then let's open it up, click agree essentially, so you can also create account, or click here use without account. So yeah, we do not need. So we can change some things here, essentially enter your details here. So this again should be fairly accurate. So you can actually, so this watch can actually calculate this stuff as needed really. So make sure it's fairly accurate. Again, set your goals and stuff like that. So again, also allow permissions for this app. Okay, and then you see it pretty much instantly phone or watch. We can simply click connect. Again, make sure your Bluetooth is actually on and running. Yeah, so then as you see, we get a prompt. So yep, accept. Okay, and as you see, pretty much done. Also then if we go in this okay, also allow these contacts and calls. Obviously this watch also has a microphone and speaker, so you can call from it. So okay, all of this stuff. And then also over here in the dial library, you can actually like download more this watch face, and then also simply click something and you'll be able to send it over essentially. Also make sure over here to enable these weather reports. So again, it uses your location to find where you are. Essentially again, basically, yeah, change these things as you need them. Also over here, push notifications also enable for the SMS and calls, and also maybe WhatsApp if you want to receive WhatsApp notifications. So by default you won't receive them unless you actually enable them over here. And then yeah, the watch is pretty much ready to use. As you see, this time is set automatically, and for example, if I swipe down, I can get access to my quick menus. For example, turn on my flashlight over here, change the brightness, and do various other things over here. Also, I can use my home button to essentially go back. So, and if I swipe up, I can get access to my notifications over here. And if I swipe like this, my last used things, so you can quickly launch something essentially. And if I swipe like this, I have access to my tiles, and you can also like change the order of them or add even more tiles. And if you click the home button in the home screen, essentially you can get access to more of these apps, and also this can be used as a scroll wheel over here as well. So actually quite advanced. And if for example you want to reset this watch, then all you really do is go in these settings, click the system settings, and also you can like restart it and do various other stuff. Also, by the way, to turn it off, you can simply hold the home button for a few seconds and you'll get a prompt to shut it down. So if you want, for example, reset it, also we can click this over here, so it will delete everything from the watch and essentially it will be a brand new watch. So overall, yep, absolutely great watch. And again, if you actually want absolutely amazing deal on this watch, simply follow the link in the description. It's absolutely amazing what we actually get for this price. Anyway, good luck.